What's up, P-Timers? It's race day, and today we've got this Koenigsegg Jesko, and it is going up against 12 other Hot Wheels exotics. We're gonna do a big tournament to find out the fastest. And our first three cars are on the starting grid. We've got the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, this one in a silverish gray color with those big chrome wheels on there, an absolute beauty. And next beside that, we've got the Porsche 918 Spider, this one in blue with the white wheels. And let's have a closer look at the Koenigsegg Jesko, the brand new release from Hot Wheels in this silver variation with chrome wheels and that big spoiler for that downforce on there. Nice looking Koenigsegg. And this will be our first race, and so the exotics will have a chance to beat the Koenigsegg, but if the Koenigsegg wins, it will get a point, and if the exotics win, they will get a point. Let's find out how many points each of the sets get, and let's get our racing going. On your mark, get set, go! And race number one goes to the Koenigsegg Jesko, beating out the 918 Spider and the Centenario Roadster. Here we go for race number two. Can the Koenigsegg Agera R beat out its younger sibling? There is our white Agera R. This one does have real riders, so it might have a slight disadvantage, but this car's already proven to be pretty quick, even with those real riders on there. Nice looking white color. And then we've got the McLaren Senna, the original Hot Wheels release of the McLaren Senna. It's in this kind of grayish blue color with chrome 10-spoke wheels on there. Lots of big downforce on there for racing. And there we go. Race number two. Can the Koenigsegg Jesko get another win against the exotics, or will it be the Koenigsegg Agera R or the Senna? Here we go. Race number two. On your mark, get set, go! The Koenigsegg Jesko proving to be a fast one, beating out the Agera R and the Senna, but now we've got some Ferrari and Lamborghini, our only Lamborghini SUV, or only SUV in all in this race. It's the Lamborghini Urus, this brand new one in yellow. Gorgeous looking, beautiful lines on this one all around. Nice big chrome wheels on there. And beside it, we've got the Ferrari LaFerrari in red, of course, with the black top chrome wheels on there. Beautiful looking of the Holy Trinity. And then we've got the Jesko, which will be in lane number 5. Let's go for race number 3. Can the exotics get a win against the Jesko, or will the Jesko go up 3-0? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And the Lamborghini Urus absolutely destroys the competition, beating out the Jesko as well as that LaFerrari. But we've got another Ferrari and Lamborghini on our starting grid going up against the Jesko right now. We've got the Ferrari FXX, look at that, red with the white stripe on there, nice chrome wheels on there, a beautiful looking design, and it is going up against my favorite all-time Hot Wheels car. It is the Lamborghini Murcielago SV in yellow, and this is from the Speed Machines series, a very rare exclusive Hot Wheel. And that's going up against our Jesko. Let's see if one of these cars can beat out that Jesko to even up this tournament. Here we go for race number 4. On your mark, get set, go! And the Jesko takes the win, beating out the Murcielago SV and the FXX. But now we've got some big guns coming up. We've got the Bugatti Chiron and the Aston Martin Vulcan. Let's have a look at them. Here is our Chiron in blue. This is the first release. It's got some silver trim on it, nice chrome wheels on there. Just one of the most popular designed Hot Wheels cars in the past few years. And then next to that, we've got the Aston Martin Vulcan, this one in white with a nice red trim on there, blacked out wheels, big wing for that good downforce on this one. And lane number 5, this time we've got the Jesko. Let's see if the Jesko can go up 4-1, or can the exotics make a comeback. Here we go for race number 5. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Bugatti Chiron that takes the win, beating out the Koenigsegg Jesko, and we're all set for race number 6. Let's see who's racing. In lane number 5, we've got the brand new casting of the McLaren Speedtail. A very, very nice, well-designed casting by Hot Wheels. There it is, 2 different wheels on the front and back, just to imitate the aerodynamic front wheel cover on the real-life car. And then next to that, we've got the Pagani HUAYRA Roadster. This one in black with gold wheels. I really like this color trim on this one. Beautiful looking design. Pagani HUAYRA written on the back of it. Just a really stealth looking cool Pagani. And then lane number 2, we've got the Koenigsegg Jesko this time. Can the exotics even this series out with a win, or is the Jesko gonna take the win 4-2? Let's find out right now. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. And it's the McLaren Speedtail that takes the win in race number 6, evening this out. 3 wins each for the exotics and for the Koenigsegg. So what should we do? Should we race them all and find out the true champion, the single winner of all of these? There's still an opportunity for the Jesko to have a good race and take the win. Let's find out right now. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. And some absolutely fantastic racing, but there can only be one winner, and that is the Lamborghini Urus. The SUV takes out all of the hypercars and supercars and beats out that Koenigsegg Jesko to take the win for the exotics. Some fantastic racing. Thank you so much. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.